Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove VW Passat spark plugs. First, ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns and damage. Gather your tools, including a 5/8-inch spark plug socket, a ratchet, an extension, and a torque wrench. Locate the 4 ignition coils on top of the engine's valve cover. These are usually black and rectangular, sitting directly over each spark plug. Proper preparation makes the job much smoother and safer for you and your vehicle. Now let's detach those ignition coils. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector from each coil pack by pressing the release tab and pulling. Some models may have a small retaining bolt, often 10 millimeters, that needs to be removed first. Once disconnected and unbolted, gently pull each coil pack straight up and out of its well. They might be a little snug, so a slight twisting motion can help, but avoid excessive force to prevent damage. With the coil packs removed, you now have access to the spark plugs. Insert your 5/8-inch spark plug socket with an extension into the cylinder head, ensuring it seats firmly on the plug. Turn the socket counterclockwise to loosen the spark plug. Once loose, you can often unscrew it by hand or use a magnetic spark plug socket to lift it out. Take a moment to inspect the old spark plug for signs of wear, oil, or carbon deposits, as this can indicate other engine issues. To install new spark plugs, first thread them into the cylinder head by hand. This prevents cross-threading, which can cause significant damage. Once finger-tight, use your torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specified torque, typically between 18 and 22 foot-pounds. Reinstall the ignition coils, ensuring they click into place, and reconnect their electrical connectors. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Finally, replace any engine covers you removed, and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.